Why are you not growing? What if the reason you're not growing is because you need something new? What if the reason is because you're still carrying something old? Old habits, old thinking, old excuses, old spending patterns, old distractions, old ways of moving that do not match the future you want. Good morning, and welcome to another episode of Morning Momentum. I am Fabian from the Goaltender Movement, where we focus on discipline, structure, and execution. Today is Momentum Monday, and our topic for today is, are old habits keeping you from growing? Our scripture comes from Ephesians chapter 4, verses 22 through 23. And it reads, that ye put off concerning the former conversation the old man, which is corrupt according to the deceitful lust, and be renewed in the spirit of your mind. Now let's break that down. This scripture is teaching us that growth requires us to put off the old and renew the mind. In simple terms, you cannot keep becoming new while holding on tightly to what keeps pulling you back. There are some habits, mindsets, and patterns that we have been normalizing in one season, but they cannot go with you into the next one. Hear me. And that is where a lot of people get stuck. They want new results, but keep performing the same old routines. They want new money, but they keep performing the same old spending habits. They want better discipline, but they keep performing the same old excuses. They want to grow, but they keep surrounding themselves with the same distractions. They want progress, but they keep moving the same way. And here's the truth. You cannot build a new future with old patterns running in the same system. That is why this topic matters. Old habits keep you from growing. You want to grow, right? Your current habits are not allowing you to grow, right? You want to grow, right? Old habits are keeping you from growing. Sometimes we think we need more motivation, but what we really need is more honesty. We need to be honest about what habits keep slowing us down. We need to be honest about where money keeps leaking. We need to be honest about what we keep avoiding that's going to help us. We need to be honest about what we keep saying we are going to do, but never execute. This is not to beat ourselves up. This is to wake ourselves up, because awareness gives you the opportunity to change. This is where money talk really connects. If you keep spending without a plan, that old habit can block your financial growth. We're here to talk about why we're not growing. If you keep avoiding your budget, that old habit can block your financial structure. A budget is financial structure. Follow the structure and growth will come. If you keep making emotional decisions with your money, that old habit can block your wealth building. If you keep saying, I'll start investing later, that old habit will block your future. Growth does not only require adding new goals. Sometimes growth requires moving and removing old leaks. Rich and Righteous teaches us that abundance is connected to wisdom, stewardship, discipline, and obedience. I've said that time and time again. That means we cannot just pray for increase and ignore the habits that we keep that are draining what we already have. We cannot just ask for more and refuse to manage better. We got to manage better. We cannot just say we want growth and keep protecting the patterns that keep us stuck. That is where discipline comes in. Discipline helps you put off the old. Discipline helps you say, this habit cannot keep controlling me. This pattern cannot keep following me. This mindset cannot keep shaping my future. And then structure helps you replace the old habits with better ones. If the old habit was spending without a plan, the new structure is checking your money before you spend. If the old habit was wasting your morning, the new structure is starting your day with intention, like morning momentum. If the old habit was procrastination, the new structure is taking one action before you talk yourself out of it. If the old habit was emotional decision making, the new structure is pausing, thinking, and executing with discipline. This is how you build momentum, not by trying to change everything at once, but by identifying one old habit and replacing it with a better structure. Today's challenge is simple. Ask yourself, what old habit is keeping you from growing? Is it money? Is it time? Is it mindset? Is it discipline? Is it relationship? Is it procrastination? Identify one old habit that does not match the future you're trying to build. Then ask yourself, what new structure am I going to replace it with? Because if you do not replace the habit, you will probably repeat the pattern. What new structure are you going to replace the old habit with? Because if you do not replace the habit, you will repeat the pattern. Remember, old habits cannot keep leading you into the new future. Put off what is no longer helping you. Renew your mind, rebuild the structure, and move with discipline. If morning momentum is serving you, please subscribe and join to the movement. Every day morning at 6 a.m. Central Time, we are building discipline, structure, and execution, and a stronger financial mindset, one morning at a time. And if this message today gave you value, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and share this out to anyone that may need help with morning momentum. Remember, build the system, trust the process, execute the plan. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, man, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Salute.